The old neighborhood is gone forever, but the memories live on. Remember that joint with the great sandwiches? How about that one place with the best spaghetti ever? Great pizzas, great burgers, full meals and satisfying snacks. That was what was great about the old neighborhood. We've recreated those old neighborhood classics, and we're bringing them to you. This is Old Neighborhood Cooking.
Okay.
From Italy to Utica, New York to Detroit, the Chavis came and opened up Vic's Cafe. Vic's Cafe became the go-to favorite for that Utica, New York style pizza, ravioli and spaghetti dinners, and American favorites too. Vic's Cafe was the cornerstone of the old neighborhood, and it's the heritage of this old neighborhood cooking show. The Utica, New York style pizza is a variation on the original tomato and cheese pie from Italy. Baked in super hot ovens, the well-developed dough was crispy at the crust, chewy and flexible in the center, and topped with flavorful tomato sauce and rich whole milk mozzarella. It's best to start the dough and the sauce at least a couple 2-3 days before you make your pie. On a floured surface, stretch the dough out, pat it out, pick it up and toss it. Get the pizza to be about the size of your pizza peel. When you're ready, you'll dust your peel liberally with cornmeal. And then flip the dough onto the peel, stretching it out. You want to make sure it's big enough. And give it a little shake to make sure it's loose. Begin building your pizza. Start with your sauce, leaving a little bit of an edge. You always like to have that little crust on the outside edge. And then add your other toppings. Here, I'm using pepperoni. Now I'll also use some mushrooms. And then we'll top the whole thing with some whole milk mozzarella that it's been shredded. Once again, you'll give it a little shake to make sure that the pizza will slide off of the peel properly. Your stone or your steel should already be hot at 500-degree oven. So now slide the pizza in, slip the peel out, and reduce the heat to 350. Turn the broiler on for the last 2 or 3 minutes to get a good extra bit of char, and then your pizza's ready. Utica, New York style pizza. Enjoy.
Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria. I eat soup and minestrone just to be with her alone. Angelina, Angelina, the waitress at the pizzeria.
Okay, that's a wrap in the kitchen. Mike, go ahead and read the script. We'll let the credits play.
Okay.
Old Neighborhood Cooking and ONC, the Old Neighborhood Video Cookbook, are brought to you by the KP Productions Video Team, the DLC Media Group, and KUPSOUNDS Studios, in cooperation with Busted Pipe Productions. Research, legal, and professional services provided by Firm of Cups, Portuese, Buffa, and Paraskevich.
Angelina, you adore you.
Wake up! Is that the only way to get through to you? Do what they all do? Bust like a hot water balloon?
Doc, what's...
You're watching KPBP TV, streaming video in the Midwest. Celebrating over 50 years of friendship and over 20 years of retreats, the Old Neighborhood Cooking Crew is preparing and serving a dinner truly reminiscent of the good old days, when supper clubs and steakhouses, those fine dining establishments in cities around the country, served as the venue for everything from engagements and birthdays to multi-million-dollar business deals and mob hits. The Old Neighborhood Supper Club was revered in the exceptional food, excellent service, quiet room was the place where conversations could easily take place with maybe the tinkling of a piano playing in the background, where the diners knew that one does not wear a hat at the table, like they were scarfing hot dogs at a ballpark, where a phone call was considered a rude intrusion to the moment. On this special, the crew is preparing and serving up a true steakhouse repast, from the traditional relish tray to a most special dessert. Join us for the Old Neighborhood Cooking Show special, the 50-Year Supper Club Celebration.